Want to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone for free? With GarageBand, you can turn any song or sound into your personalized ringtone without using iTunes or a computer. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download GarageBand, if you haven't already. GarageBand is a free app from Apple. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store before starting. Step 2. Open GarageBand and create a new project. Open GarageBand and select Tracks mode. Scroll and choose Audio Recorder as your instrument. Tap the Tracks icon at the top left to open the timeline view. Step 3. Import your audio or song. Tap the loop icon in the top right corner. Select Files and find the song or sound you want to use. Drag the file into the timeline to begin editing. Step 4. Trim and edit your ringtone. Tap the audio track and drag the edges to trim it to under 30 seconds. Apple's limit for ringtones. Use the play button to preview your clip. Adjust the volume or add effects if needed. Step 5. Export as a ringtone. Tap the arrow icon in the top left corner and select My Songs. Press and hold the project until a menu appears. Then tap Share. Choose Ringtone as the format. Rename it if needed, then tap Export. Step 6. Set your new ringtone. Once exported, tap Use Sound As and select Standard Ringtone. If you want to change it later, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics Ringtone and select it from the list. Finally, and that's it, you've just created a custom iPhone ringtone using GarageBand without iTunes or a computer. What song or sound are you using for your ringtone? Let us know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tricks. Thanks for watching.